Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the device is powered, unlocked, and on the same Wi-Fi or Bluetooth link as your phone or computer. Once done, open Settings on the host and find Devices, Connected Devices, or Network List. This is where name's live. Make sure you have any admin credentials or pairing code ready. Without them, you may be blocked. You move quickly to the device entry next. Tap its name or the info icon to view editable fields, and remember why you're renaming: clarity across your network. You now tap the target device entry and select Edit, Rename, or the pencil icon. This opens the name field. Type a concise, unique name so you can identify it later. Avoid emojis or special characters because some routers and apps reject them. Once you finish typing, press Save or Apply, then confirm any prompts. This triggers the host to push the change to the connected device. Make sure the connection remains active during the update, otherwise the rename might not propagate, and you'll need to retry. You finish by verifying the new name appears in the host's device list, on the device display, and in any linked apps or services. If the change doesn't show immediately, restart both devices and wait 30 to 60 seconds for network propagation. If that fails, make sure you still have admin rights. Sometimes limited accounts cannot rename devices. As a last resort, remove and repair the device. This forces a fresh registration and usually clears stubborn naming conflicts. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: reboots and repairing fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.